So earlier we talked about project charter being one of the deliverable of the define phase. Another deliverable of the define phase could be your communication plan. How do you communicate with each other? You list down and make a plan for that. You remember earlier we talked about stakeholders. There are different people involved in this project, starting from the top management to the process owner, to the sponsor, to the team members. There are a number of people involved in this project. What will be the communication plan? You list that down. Here on this slide, I have put an example of a communication plan. Let's look at this second item. Second item is team meetings. So team meetings, the objective of that is to review the plan. How does this happen? This happens face to face in the meeting. This happens weekly. What does this mean is that once you have communication plan published as a part of define phase, now what you have put is you have put the expectations that all the team members need to be available for the weekly meeting. Their department managers need to understand that these persons who have become part of this Six Sigma team need to go and attend this weekly meeting. And who are the audience of that? Audience of that is team members or the champions. So these are the people who are attending this meeting, and the owner of this particular communication is the team leader, which could be the black belt, which could be the green belt. Whosoever is running this project, that person is the owner of this particular communication process. And what does happen after this meeting? After this meeting, the minutes of meetings are published. Agenda is published before the meeting. So there are two deliverables of this particular communication item: agenda and the minutes of meeting. Having these things finalized in the beginning helps in better understanding, because these are critical to the success of your Six Sigma project. You have set up the project charter, which tells and which has the management approval. Then you have published the communication plan, which tells each team members that how do they need to communicate. So these things help in successful implementation of the Six Sigma project.